This is a 2005 Ford Taurus. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a rear window defroster, speed-sensitive wipers, a 4-speaker stereo system, a multi-link rear suspension, a 4-wheel independent suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, door reinforcement beams, privacy glass, and cruise control. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle pays off in the long run. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Gjovik Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2600 US Route 34 East in Sandwich.